Faye! Faye! You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. You're safe. Nandito ako. You're safe. You're safe. Breathe. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Okay. Hindi ko ma-imagine kung gaano kahirap yung pinagdadaanan mo. But I know that you need justice para makatulong sa closure mo. So kung may mga detalye kang natatandaan, maliban sa mga nahuling kidnapper, you tell Kuya, okay? Tell me. Do you understand?